if you've started to see any rogue sites like PayPal or Stripe show up in your source and medium in GA4, it may be that you haven't yet excluded those domains, something that was often done in UA but maybe has been forgotten as part of that transition to GA4. So I'm going to just quickly show you how to do that. So in your admin panel, if you go into your data streams and then click through to your relevant site, scroll down to this little configure tag settings, and then once you're under here, there's a little show all option which then reveals some further options, and down in here you've got list unwanted domains, and in here is where, for example, you might want to put things like stripe.com or ShopPay or PayPal and others. Of course, this won't affect your data going backwards, but will affect everything going forward. So nice little cleanup way to get those referral traffic correctly tracked in GA4. Hope that helps.